Good morning, students. Welcome back to Grammar Learning. In last lecture, I explained you chapter number 2, the noun. We have seen the definition of noun and kinds of nouns. Let's quickly revise the definition. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal and or thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Then I taught you the kinds of nouns. Which are the kinds of nouns? Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. Common noun means common to all. Proper noun means some special name. Collective nouns means which is a word for the group of things or people or places. Abstract noun means the nouns which cannot be seen but can be felt. And material noun shows the material, substance. I also gave the exercises, some of the exercises, exercise 1, 3 and 4 in notebook as homework after the explanation. I hope you understood exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. I explained you the meanings of each and every word, each and every collective noun given in exercise 4. I hope you understood it properly and will use the words at proper place. Now, let's start with exercise 5. What is exercise 5? What is given in exercise 5? Students, as I told you, before writing the answers, try to understand the instructions given. What are the instructions? Here, instructions are, you have to read the first sentence, read, then replace the group of words and choose the word, appropriate word for the group of words from the bracket, from the box given. Understood? These are the instructions for exercise 5. Let's start. Study the nouns given in the box. Choose one noun from the box to replace the group of words in italics. Italics मतलब कि fonts अलग हो रहे हैं उसके. And rewrite the words. Rewrite the sentence. Understood? Rewrite the sentence. Here, first of all, read the words given in box. Pedestrian. What is pedestrians? The people who walk on the street or road. Autobiography. Autobiography is the story of one's life written by himself or herself. Okay. Century, a group of 100 years. Audience, we all know audience का meaning होता है people who come to hear something, कुछ सुनने के लिए आए हैं. Oasis, oasis यानी कि डेजर्ट की ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर पानी मिलता है. इम्पोर्ट, इम्पोर्ट मतलब कि किसी दूसरे कंट्री से हमारे कंट्री में लेकर आना. इम्पोर्ट. हॉबी मीन्स द एक्टिविटी विच यू डू इन लीजर टाइम. एल्बम इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स और पिक्चर्स. वेटर इज़ अ पर्सन हु सर्व्स यू इन रेस्टोरेंट. And biography is the story of life written by someone else. Okay, understood? So what is the difference between autobiography and biography? Autobiography, biography. What is the difference between these two words? Autobiography is the story of one's life written by himself or herself. Okay, यानी कि अगर डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम हैं तो उनकी लाइफ की स्टोरी वो खुद लिखते हैं, तो दैट इज़ ऑटोबायोग्राफी। अंडरस्टूड। और उनकी ही लाइफ की स्टोरी कोई दूसरा लिख रहा है तो वो हुई बायोग्राफी। अंडरस्टूड। Now let's start writing the answers. The first one is, the person who served us tea was a new appointment in the hotel. Which words are given in italics? Person who served us tea. These words are given in italics. You have to replace these words, the group of words, with the word given in box. So what is a person who served us tea called? Waiter. So how you will write? The waiter was a new appointment in the hotel. You will skip these words in answer. The waiter, instead of these words you will write waiter. The waiter was a new appointment in the hotel. Second one is, sometimes it is the people walking on the street who cause accidents. Which words are given in italics? People walking on the street. These words are given in italics. Now you have to replace these words. So instead of this group of words, what you will write? What are the people walking on the street called? Pedestrians. It is given here, pedestrians. So how you will write the answer? Sometimes it is the pedestrians who cause accidents. Understood? Sometimes it is the pedestrians who cause accidents. Clear? Third one is, Ravi Shankar's performance was given a standing ovation by the people who had come to hear him. Here, which words are given in italics? People who come to hear him. These words are given in italics. You have to replace these words. Ravi Shankar's performance was given a standing ovation. Standing ovation का मीनिंग क्या होता है? खड़े होकर क्लैप करना. Okay, standing ovation by the audience. What is the right answer? The right answer is audience. Understood? So what will be written? Ravi Shankar's performance was given a standing ovation by the audience. बस इतना लिखना है आप. Fourth one is, not a single Indian batsman scored 100 runs in the match against Sri Lanka. 100 runs. Century means 100. Whether it is runs or years, century of years, है ना, century बोलते हैं years को भी. तो not a single Indian batsman scored a century in the match against Sri Lanka. Understood? Next one is, he showed me a book in which he had collected pictures of this tour abroad. A book in which he had collected pictures. This is the group given in italics. So instead of a book in which he had collected pictures is called album. We will write album. He showed me he showed me an album. यहाँ पर आर्टिकल चेंज हो जाएगा. He showed me an album of this tour abroad. Of his tour. Spelling mistake is given. What is the answer? His. Understood? Fourth one. Now fifth one. He showed me a book in which he had collected pictures. Fifth one is over. Sixth one. Mahatma Gandhi's story of his life should be read by all the young children. Story of his life उन्होंने खुद ने लिखी है. And we have to replace these words. So Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. What is its name? महात्मा गांधी की ऑटोबायोग्राफी का नाम क्या है? What is the name of महात्मा गांधी's autobiography? याद है किसी को? What it is called? सत्यना प्रयोगो. What it is called? Satyana Prayogo, the experiment of truth. So sixth answer is autobiography, and the whole sentence will be Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography should be read by all the young children. 7 number. My favorite occupation to relax in free time is reading adventure stories. Occupation to relax in free time. What it is called? Hobby. So what will be the answer? The full sentence is my favorite hobby is reading adventure stories. My favorite hobby is reading adventure stories. This is the answer. 8 number. He brings electronic goods from Japan to India. Brings. आगे का हम रीड करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा ब्रिंग्स की जगह पर क्या लिखना है. जापान से इंडिया में ला रहा है तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? Imports. What it is said? Imports. So what is the answer? Here you have to add s because the pronoun is given he. So he imports, imports. He imports electronic goods from Japan to India. Understood? Next one is the most important place in a desert is where water is found. These words are in italics. We have to replace, and what is the correct word to replace it? The most important place in a desert is oasis. Oasis. Okay. Ten number. I have recently read a very interesting book about the life and works of Leonardo da Vinci by an Indian author. See, यहाँ पर कैसे पता चल रहा है? लियोनार्डो दा विंसी की लाइफ की स्टोरी है, वो किसने लिखी? इंडियन ऑथर ने लिखी है. तो व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड? बायोग्राफी. अगर उन्होंने खुद ने लिखी होती तो ऑटोबायोग्राफी होता. अंडरस्टूड? 10th one. Now exercise 6. Solve this puzzle with the help of the clues given and write the answers in the cross patch given, in the box given. First one is a person who breaks into people's houses, shops, etc. at night to steal. यानी कि एक ऐसा इंसान जो रात को लोगों के घरों में, दुकानों में घुस जाता है चोरी के इरादे से. That is called burglar. Burglar. What is the spelling of burglar? B-U-R-G-L-A-R. Be careful in writing the spelling. B-U-R-G-L-A-R. This exercise is also to be written in notebook as homework. Second one, season when the leaves fall. ऐसी season जब leaves है वो गिर जाते हैं. It is called autumn. Autumn, पतझड़. And what is the spelling of autumn? A-U-T-U-M-N. Repeat the spelling. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. 3 number, a person who tells our future with the help of stars. यानी कि स्टार्स को देखकर एक ऐसा इंसान जो हमारा फ्यूचर बताता है, भविष्य बताता है, एंड दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोलॉजर. एस्ट्रोलॉजर मीन्स ज्योतिष. ओके, एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ASTROLOGER, एस्ट्रोलॉजर. And what is this meaning of astronomer? एस्ट्रोलॉजर और एस्ट्रोनॉमर, उन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? एस्ट्रोलॉजर हैं वो हमारा फ्यूचर बताते हैं स्टार्स को देखकर. एस्ट्रोनॉमर है वो क्या करते हैं? वो स्टडी करते हैं स्टार्स की, स्पेस की. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? देन फोर्थ वन, अ शिप दैट ट्रैवल्स अंडर द सी. ऐसा शिप जो सी के नीचे, पानी के नीचे ट्रैवल करता है. व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड? सबमरीन. SUBMARINE, सबमरीन. ओके. 5 number, अ पर्सन डिसलॉयल टू हिज कंट्री. एक ऐसा इंसान जो उसकी कंट्री को बेवफा रहता है, वफादार नहीं है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रेटर. ट्रेटर, राजद्रोही. ट्रेटर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? राजद्रोही, जो अपने ही कंट्री से जो देशद्रोह करता है, देशद्रोही, उसे बोलते हैं ट्रेटर. TRAITOR. All the things should be written in capitals because it is in the form of missing letters, and the letters which are given are all in capitals. So you will write all the letters capital in this exercise answer. Clear? Now some explanation is there. We all know that nouns, there are nouns है, उसके नंबर भी होते हैं, है ना, सिंगुलर, प्लूरल, काउंटेबल, अनकाउंटेबल है. तो nouns can be countable or uncountable. What is the meaning of countable and uncountable? Countable means which can be counted. Uncountable means which cannot be counted. Okay, let's see the definition. Countable nouns are things like people, animal, plants, concrete objects और units of measurement is countable nouns. यानी कि इसमें क्या क्या आएगा? जैसे बॉस, पर्सन है, डॉग, एनिमल है ना, फिर डेस्क, लैपटॉप, ये थिंग्स हैं, है ना, और यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट, मीटर, पाउंड, दिस आर काउंटेबल nouns. And uncountable nouns include things like substances, materials, commodities. Substance मतलब water, oil, money, और commodity, material, फिर ये information, commodity, abstract ideas हैं, progress, profitability, and language is English, Arabic. ये सब uncountable nouns हैं. We do not say 3 informations or 2 waters. बोलते हैं हम लोग 1 पानी, 2 पानी, 3 पानी, 1 water, 2 water, 3 water, 3 information, नहीं बोलते हैं. So these are uncountable nouns. Now here is given the list of uncountable nouns. यहाँ पर uncountable nouns की लिस्ट दी गई है. Read the uncountable nouns. Advice, ट्रबल, प्रोग्रेस, वेदर. सी, आप देख कर देखो, कोई भी वर्ड है, कोई भी ये अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है, उसको हम लोग 1, 2, 3 ऐसे नंबरिंग नहीं कर सकते. फर्नीचर, मनी, मशीनरी, ट्रैफिक, वर्क, न्यूज़, ऑनेस्टी, कैश, बैगेज, इंफॉर्मेशन, परमिशन, लगेज. These are uncountable nouns. Understood uncountable nouns? Now countable nouns can be singular or plural, but uncountable nouns are singular. देखो ध्यान रखो, countable nouns can be singular or plural, but अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर ओनली सिंगुलर, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को हमेशा सिंगुलर ही कंसिडर करते हैं। सी द एग्जाम्पल, द न्यू कंप्यूटर्स हैव अराइव्ड, यहाँ पर हमने कंप्यूटर्स के साथ हैव लिया है बिकॉज वी कैन काउंट कंप्यूटर्स। एंड इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस, द न्यू फर्नीचर हैज़ अराइव्ड because furniture is considered as uncountable and the singular possessive verb is has. Understood? Then one more thing, with uncountable nouns we can use some instead of a or an, यानी कि जो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स है उसके साथ हम लोग आर्टिकल ए या एन नहीं रखेंगे, उसकी जगह पर हम सम रखेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? ही गेव मी अ मनी, मनी इज कंसिडर्ड एज अनकाउंटेबल। भले ही हम पैसे को गिन सकते हैं पर एज अ होल मनी है वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है। So we cannot write article A here. We can write he gave me some money. Understood? So instead of writing a or an with uncountable noun, we write some. It means some is for uncountable nouns. Next one is, we can use a or an with uncountable nouns by using words of measurement. हाँ, कुछ वर्ड्स होते मेजरमेंट के, उसके साथ हम लोग आर्टिकल ए या एन यूज़ करते हैं। लेट्स रीड, अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी, तो कॉफ़ी है वो अनकाउंटेबल है लेकिन उसके आगे कप लग गया, दैट्स वाई द आंसर इज अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। सेकेंड वन इज अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, वाटर कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड, it is uncountable noun, but before that a glass is given, that's why it is countable and a article is put before glass. A glass of orange juice, ऑरेंज जूस है अनकाउंटेबल है लेकिन ग्लास दिया है इसलिए हमने आर्टिकल ए यूज़ किया है। वी कैन बाय मिनरल वाटर फॉर ₹10 अ बॉटल, अब यहाँ पर वाटर की बॉटल है, बॉटल तो काउंटेबल है, दैट्स वाई वी हैव पुट ए। द प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल इज़ नाउ ₹68.21 पर लीटर, हियर पर मीन्स अ, अंडरस्टूड? 68.21 a liter, per means a. Now the last exercise, exercise 7. This exercise also has to be written in your notebook as homework. Here one word is countable and the other is uncountable. Write some or a before each word. We have to see whether the noun is countable or uncountable and we have to write the answer accordingly, which I have explained you. Let's start. The first one is dash report was read by the people along with dash news on page 3. Report. Report is countable, that's why we will write A. A report was read by the people along with dash news. News is considered as uncountable and that's why some is written, some news. Understood? Next one is dash furniture has been changed in the room and dash steel almirah has been added. Furniture is considered as uncountable and that's why singular is used, has लिखा है तो uncountable के साथ हम लोग some यूज़ करेंगे। Some furniture has been changed in the room and a steel almirah has been added. Steel almirah है उसके साथ A आएगा because it is countable. 3 number, I needed dash accommodation in dash hotel immediately. Accommodation abstract noun है ना, तो सम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है इसलिए सम आएगा, होटल काउंटेबल है इसलिए अ आएगा। 4 नंबर, ही लैंडेड इन कैनेडा with dash checkbook. Checkbook is countable, that's why article A is used. Cash uncountable, that's why some cash. Go and see dash lawyer. Lawyer is countable, that's why A. And get dash advice. Advice is uncountable and that's why we use some. Understood? So here you have learnt with countable nouns you can put article A or an, and with uncountable nouns you will write some. But if the measurement is given with uncountable noun, you can use article A or an accordingly. Understood? So that's all for this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter properly and do the homework which is given to you. Homework is clear to you? Which is the homework? What is the homework? Exercise 5, 6 and 7 in notebook. This is the homework. Exercise 5, 6, 7 in notebook. That's all for today. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye and have a nice day.